Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can download any image that is generated by Gemini. So if Gemini has generated any image for you, I will show you how you can download it in super high resolution and high quality. So in order to do this, let me quickly find any particular chat where I have generated an image. So as here you can see, I have this particular chat where I have generated these two images, and let's say I wish to download this particular image. So what you can do is simply tap onto this image and click onto this download full size option. Once you click onto this, you can see that it is currently processing and it might take a while as it will be a fairly large image size with high quality. So just wait for this process to finish, and once this particular process finishes, your image will start to get download in the browser, and you can access it by clicking onto the three tabs and then going to the downloads option or simply pressing Ctrl J. So as here you can see that the image has been successfully downloaded and it is around 8.2 megabytes in size. So that's how easily you can download images from Gemini to your own local device. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.